V30 AI has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing AI software. If you're wondering whether it's worth diving into, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of its potential and how it stacks up against other AI tools. Let's dive right in. First off, the biggest draw of V30 AI is its advanced automation. It's designed to make tedious tasks a breeze. From handling repetitive data entry to advanced predictive analytics, it's a powerhouse of efficiency. And unlike a lot of other AI tools, it integrates seamlessly with existing digital marketing platforms. Whether you're working with Google Ads, social media campaigns, or even email marketing, if you're tired of switching between tools and wasting time, V30 AI brings everything under one roof. The second thing you need to know is how V30 AI approaches machine learning. While many AI software solutions are all about basic predictive models, V30 takes it further with deep learning capabilities. It continuously learns from the data you provide, evolving its algorithms to produce more accurate and nuanced insights. This is a key feature for businesses that need data-driven decisions, but don't have the time or resources to keep analyzing manually. Another standout feature is the customization options. V30 AI doesn't give you a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, it allows you to tailor the system to fit your specific needs. Whether you're in e-commerce, healthcare, or content creation, the software adjusts to your unique business model. Plus, it gives you full control over the data it collects and how it's processed, giving you the flexibility to implement what matters most for your business growth. But there's more. V30 AI is also a huge time saver when it comes to content generation. Whether it's for blog posts, ad copy, or even social media, it can automatically generate high-quality content based on just a few keywords or prompts. This is particularly valuable if you're working with limited resources and need to scale your content efforts quickly. It's fast, accurate, and reliable. What's also remarkable about V30 is its user interface. Unlike some AI tools that require steep learning curves, V30 is designed for ease of use. The dashboard is intuitive and simple to navigate, which makes it ideal for people who aren't tech experts. You won't have to waste time getting used to complex settings or configurations. Just jump in and get to work. Now let's talk security. V30 AI uses industry-leading encryption to protect your data. Given the rise of cybersecurity concerns, this is a crucial feature for anyone dealing with sensitive customer or business information. With V30, you can rest assured that your data is in safe hands. Finally, I've got to mention the free trial. You can try V30 AI completely free from the first link in the description below. It's always great to test a software before committing, and V30 gives you that chance. With the free trial, you can explore all the features without any risk or pressure. So if you're intrigued, don't hesitate to give it a go. If you're looking for the best AI software to help with digital marketing, content creation, or simply saving time and boosting productivity, V30 AI is definitely worth considering. And after trying thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked a few that I'd recommend you check out in the description below, along with the free trial for V30 AI. Thanks for watching.